Hey y'all, and happy new year. Today I'm starting off the first video of the year with a in the making vlog. I want to start off with something creative. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know this is my birthday skirt. I took an old pair of jeans. Well, they're not too old. I think they're like 6 months old, but they were pretty much ill-fitting. They were way too long and the wide legness was kind of aggravating. When I brought them, I was unable to try them on, so I didn't know that. But basically I couldn't wear them as regular jeans, so I thought, why not make a skirt? So I'm started off kind of in the middle of a process, but I drew a little animation to help you. I had basically a pair of jeans, and then I completely seam ripped the inner legs of the jeans to make it to where I just have a front and a back. So right now in the video you see me pinning the back seam together, because in the front I want to have a slit. Now you don't have to have a slit, but that's just what I prefer. I didn't want like a tube skirt, maxi skirt. I wanted a slit. So the only thing that's going to be getting completely sewn up is the back, and that is what I'm pinning right now. You see me picking my thread. Now when you are sewing jeans, it's so important to have jean thread if you want it to look authentic. You know, most jeans have that little gold stitching or light brown stitching. I didn't have that, so I just did some thread that was close to my pair of jeans. As you can see, it was kind of like a light medium wash, and the thread blended in beautifully. So what I did, I took the back up completely. I even cut the belt loop off, and I put that back later on in the video, and I opened up the waistband. Now those two steps are very important when it comes to making sure that your design looks non-homemade. Like, to me, my skirt looked pretty much store-bought because I was trying to do a lot of things to really make it look like before I took it apart. Basically, I hope I'm describing as well. This video is kind of short, but I want to get it out for you guys. As you can see, so right now I am sewing up the back of the skirt real quick, real easy. This is how it's looking. As you can see, my waistband is still open and my front is still open. Now when it comes to your slit, you can make it as closed or as open as you'd like. It's completely up to you. Right now this is my back seam. I am ironing it, and then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to do a flat felt seam. I think that is very traditional for jeans, and I think it came out really nice. So that is what I did on these jeans. As you can see, I'm just pressing that hem, and then I'm going to cut one side shorter than the other. Like I said, this is not a tutorial because I was literally rushing. I did this a few days before my birthday, so I didn't get as much good footage as I would have liked, but I want to show you guys this process. I'm going to cut one side shorter than the other, and then I'm going to press the short side towards the long side, but you guys will see that, and that's going to help me to do my rolled hem. I'm going to pin it, and then we're going to sew, and it's just going to be so cute. Now when it comes to your jeans, make sure when you have your back open that you are taking in anything that's ill-fitting. If your waist is too big on your jeans, that's when you can make it a little bit smaller for you and just make any alterations you need to make. As you can see, I'd already taken in those jeans, so if I would have just waited and knew I was making a skirt, then I wouldn't have to done that. When you open up the back, you can completely adjust. You can make the jeans bigger if you need to, anything. So make sure you do what you need to do while the jeans are open in the back. So right now you see me doing that pressing. What else should I discuss while I'm doing this pressing? If you have any questions about how I did this skirt, just feel free to ask. The jeans were even a little bit longer. I did hem the jeans because they were way too long. Like, even a skirt would have dragged the ground if I wouldn't have hemmed them. So that's another thing that you can do while you're making your skirt. As you can see right now, I'm creating my flat felt seam. This is my first time doing this technique, but I really do like it. It completely encloses your seam, and I don't currently have a serger, so I feel like it was a very closed and neat looking way to finish the garment. Right here you see me closing in that top of my waistband. So basically I just stuck the top of the pants back in the enclosed waistband to the best of my ability, and I top stitched with the thread that matches the jeans. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then later on you're gonna see me sewing my belt loop on by hand. My machine was not allowing me to put that thick denim underneath all those layers underneath my presser foot, so I just went and did it by hand. Lately I've been doing a lot of hand sewing, and I can't say that I've really been getting better with that, because like this time last year I was not a good hand sewer at all. I basically didn't know how, but now I am definitely getting better and learning new techniques on how to hand sew, so I really appreciate that. I do plan to take some sewing classes this year. I'm going to bring you guys along with that, review the classes I do take. I will be doing some paid classes, some online classes. So if you guys are interested in sewing, I will be doing more reviews on the classes I take. So right now I am sewing this belt loop on and making sure that it looks pretty seamless. I don't want it to look homemade like I keep saying. I just want everything to blend in really nicely. And the good part about having a slit as big as I had my slit is that once you sew the back and have that looking nice and neat, you're basically done. This skirt was so easy to do in a day. Like I said, I literally did it the day before my birthday. Well, 2 days before my birthday, because the day before my birthday was Christmas. But this is how it looks. Really nice, really neat. I really did think that it came out really nice. I got a lot of compliments on it when I was out on my birthday, so I think it came out really cute. Really cute. So if you all want to see more pictures of me in this skirt, make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's at everything by Maja, and let me know what you are planning to make this year. I do have more videos coming at you guys, more hair videos, more sewing, more crochet, all things like that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.